Establishment of mutual fund. What is establishment mutual fund? Mutual fund is required to be registered in SEBI because they're going to get the public money and they're going to invest in some stocks and shares. They're going to give return for the investor. So if they're going to do such thing, they need to get registered with SEBI. It is established through sponsor. The role of sponsor is same as a promoter who provides initial capital and appoint trustees. Sponsors should be a body corporate in business in financial services or minimum 5 years. So if you want to start a mutual fund company, they must be a financial institution, minimum of 5 year time. That will become the eligible criteria of starting a mutual fund company. Mutual fund has been established as a trustee company or as a trust. At least two to the director of the trustee must be independent. In the mutual fund company, mostly directors are independent. How many percentage? 2/3 of it should be even. That's what is 66.66 percentage of the directors should be independent. Only 33.33 percentage should be the person who the owner can be directors in mutual fund company. Asset management company is a minimum net worth of 100 crores. They should have a 100 crores minimum net worth to be appointed as a manage the affairs of the mutual funds. Sponsor should contribute at least 40% of net worth. That is 40 crores he need to put his own money to start a mutual fund. And at least also 50% of director of the AMC must be independent. So this asset management company, that's 66%. Here 50% should be independent. AMC may charge management advisory fees from mutual fund. So this asset management can charge some fund. That is the income. And mutual funds also appoints custodians. Who custodians have custodians of security to held by the mutual fund. So they will be the custody of all the shares and securities for the mutual funds. So these are the things to establish a mutual fund. You need these things.